Hi, I'm Mike and I'm here with this week's Job Shop Tip of the Week. Getting my week in order and keeping in a rhythm day to day could be a challenge. For me, there's a few steps I follow to keep my focus at the end of each day. Today, I have 3 things you should do at the end of every workday to keep that rhythm going. Number 1, check in with your boss and colleagues. Depending on how hands-on your boss is, you may want to visit with him or her to discuss the status of any projects you're working on. You'll also want to get end-of-the-day updates from coworkers. This is also a great opportunity to double-check deadlines and confirm that everyone is on the same page. Number 2, get closure. Be sure to tie up any loose ends so that you can truly disconnect when you walk out of the door. Be sure not to leave anything hanging that can quickly be taken care of. There is nothing worse than having that feeling of something hanging over your head. Number 3, review your schedule for the next day. Make sure you're aware of any meetings or calls for the following day. You can also use this opportunity to schedule time on your calendar and to accomplish any remaining items from today's to-do list. That's it for today's tip. Stay tuned next week for Job Shop's Tip of the Week.